Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Jenna and today I'm going to be unboxing my March 2020 FabFitFun Box. If you don't already know, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription, so you get 4 boxes a year. I believe it's $49.99. And like I said, that's 4 times a year. They also have edit sales where you can get stuff in between the boxes. And they also have add-ons. This month, I only got one add-on item, and that was this Design Me, Gloss Me, Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Hair Serum. And I actually put some on before I blow dried my hair today, and it did really, it's really shiny, so I was pretty impressed with that. It's very, very oily, obviously, that's what it is, but so a little goes a very long way. Okay, so this month, I love this FabFitFun box. This is so fun and so springy. It's all butterflies, and it says, in support of dress for success. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. This is really hard to do, but I'm going to open it up. Now, I already kind of peeked in here to see some stuff and try a couple of things, and then I put everything back. So when you open it up, look how pretty, guys. Look how pretty this is. This is magical if you get this, and it's just like something to look forward to. There's a lot of bad stuff going on in our world right now, and I think it's so great when you can have, I know it costs money, but when you can have something that you can look forward to like this and then open up, and they take such pride and attention to detail in this, and I love this company. I love receiving these. It makes me feel so good. It's better than Christmas, and they just take so much care into every single package, and it just makes you feel special. And I'm sure if you get one, you know what I'm talking about. And if you don't get one, you should probably at least get yourself one once to know what it feels like. So every box comes with the FabFitFun magazine. It kind of tells you about what they're working on right now, the products that are in the boxes, and they have current event kind of things in it too, like beauty and health. Every box usually comes with a couple coupons. It's usually HelloFresh is almost always in there. And this one is 9 free meals, including free shipping, with the code there. And then there's another one in here for Bite, which looks like is like those like clear braces things that you can get. So they always put tissue paper on top, and they usually seal it with a sticker that is like the same theme as the box. So this month it is a butterfly, and it says share to win #FabFitFun. So I'm gonna go ahead and rip this open real quick and then show you. Oh, I ripped the butterfly, darn it. Okay. Need a drink. Okay. So after you remove the tissue paper, this is what it looks like on the inside. So they do, okay. So, I love the way they box everything, and it's really beautiful, and it always looks great when you open it up, but they do use like a little bit bigger of a box usually than they need, and they always put like some kind of platform in the box, so it makes it look really full. So, if you didn't already know that. So the first thing I got, and I'm pretty excited about this, I believe these are, let me see. Yeah, Japanese. These are like Japanese facial masks, and I gotta get some scissors here. Hold on. It's like a little palette of facial masks, and it's called I think it's Way China Herbal Beauty 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection. And this is great because it comes with I don't know if you can see that. There you go. It comes with 8 little pots of masks and this beautiful little brush to put it on. How special is that? And then I think it has 4 of each kind of mask. So there's 4 golden root purifying mud masks and 4 brown sugar ready glow exfoliating masks. So that's the first thing I got. The second thing I got was this AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-In Conditioner. And I actually tried this already. It's in my hair. I used that with the Gloss Me and the mask that I got in my BoxyCharm. So there's leave-in conditioner. This is Deep Sleep Body Cocoon Multitasking Beauty Sleep Savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Let's see. There we go. And that's from This Works. Let me see, I haven't checked this out yet. Kind of smells like lavender. Pretty sure what that's pretty sure that's lavender. Well, you know what? Just take off my rings. Hold on. I'll let you know in a second what it is. It is lotion, right? Oh. Ooh. Okay. I'm here for it. Yeah, definitely a very strong lavender smell. I was like almost gonna put my hands up, like you can smell my hands. Oh, now wouldn't be a good time to do that. Don't want to get sick. Okay, so the next thing I got in my box was this Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. And I did try this earlier. I got a little peek of it after I took a shower. I put it on my face and it was nice. It's supposed to like tighten your skin and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. And I mean, I'm only 32, but got to get a head start on it, you know. The next thing that I got was this Jobaneria Marianella Rosewood and Let's See something body oil with mango. I can't even say, this is a nightmare, y'all. A pomegranate oil. I can read that. That's in there. So it's a vitamin and perfume oil blend for your body, is what I think they're getting at there. Oh, I can't read any of that either. Oh, marula oil, grapeseed oil, apricot kernel seed oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. There's a lot of good stuff in this for you. Some things that are so good, I can't even pronounce them. So this next item, I wasn't really excited about it, but I think I might be more excited about it when it's like 85 degrees outside and I'm mowing my lawn every 2 days. And this is the Avene, I think that's how you say it, Avene Thermal Spring Water spray. Like, I don't know. I didn't know like aerosol spring water was a thing, but it's supposed to be refreshing AF. So maybe should I try it? Should I risk it for the biscuit? I don't know. Let's try it. Well, I should read where is it made? France. Well, that's good. It's not made in China. It's fine. Okay. Wait. I should probably read the instructions first. Hold on. I can't find the instructions. There's a lot of languages on here. Hold on. Okay. It says to use on sunburn in complement of drying treatment. So like if you're using something that dries your skin out really bad. Facial redness, diaper rash, that's a new one. Various irritations, razor burn, after hair removal to complete makeup removal after exercise in summer or during travel. So yeah, I guess this would be cool, like to throw in your gym bag, and you know, if you had to run an errand after the gym, to just like spray your face and feel refreshed. So let's try it. I'm just gonna pretend that I just did a very vigorous workout. I'm very underwhelmed at the moment. I thought a lot more was gonna come out than what did. It was very fine. A very fine light mist, but it feels a little shiny now. Feels good. Doesn't really, it has like a light scent. No, that's the lotion. Never mind. I don't think it has any smell. Oh, look. More literature. Oh, look, I found the instructions. Oh, there was an insert with instructions that I totally ignored, so. Okay. Well, I'll read those later. I'm going to set those there with my stuff. Oh, this dog. Daphne! Daphne! No! No! No more barking. No more barking. You, get out of here. Okay, the next thing I got in my box were the Chic and Tonic silicone straws. And from what I understand, there is a tiny little traveling case in here for them too. Yeah, see? There's this little like tubey thingy. And what you do is you take your handy dandy straw, and it even comes with a straw cleaner. So you can get it for sure clean. That's really cool. So I'm gonna pick, ooh, this is a fun color. These are fun colors. Look at that. Yellow, there's like 2 different shades of like orangey pink and then teal. This is a really pretty color. So from what I understand, you can take this thing if you're like going to work or you're going to the gym or you're going out to eat and you don't want to use a real straw or a plastic straw. You're going to shove that in there. You're going to put this on, and you can put this in your purse. You can probably put it on your keychain, put it somewhere, take it with you. You get to the restaurant, you're going to go, whoop, hey, waiter, I don't need no straw. I brought my own. So I'm going to try it because I have my cranberry ginger ale here. Probably should have washed it first, but it's okay. It's a straw with extra steps. But if it saves the cute little turtles, I'm down. Anyway, moving on to my last and final item that I'm very nervous about. I picked it because I honestly, the FabFitFun choices this month, I forgot about the you know, when it's open for choices and stuff, I forgot to do it, so I came to the party really late. And by the time I got there, some of the things that I would have probably picked were already gone, so I kind of got stuck with whatever they had left at that point because it was too late to skip. So I got this knowing that I am very tiny. I know you can't tell because you're watching this video and it's just like, you know, my upper half, but I am 5'1". I'm very tiny, and this is a sweater, like an open sweater, like a cardi kind of vibe that they had, and this is from Donnie, it says. I'm gonna open it up. Now, I usually want to get something like this because it was a one-size-fits-all kind of deal, and if you're little like me, you know one-size-fits-all is only good for you when it's in child sizes. Because one size fits all will fit you like a blanket when you are my size. So I'm about to find out and show you. This is really cute though. Like super, super cute. Nice neutral color. Really, really soft. It's Made in Vietnam. Okay. What is it made out of, though? I'm trying to find out what it's made out of. You like my shirt? I made it. It's 55 cotton, 41 polyester, and 4% spandex. Okay. I'm here for it. Let's try it. It's not going to look good with my tie-dye, but it's okay. Okay. So, my opinion is okay. I don't really like it. It's very big on me. I wish I could show you. Here, let me... and try my very best to show you how big this is on me. I have to back up really far. Okay, so this legit goes down past my knees. See my body? Goes down past my knees. So, like if you wanted to wear this with like leggings and, I don't know, a plain shirt or something, it would probably be cute. I personally probably won't wear it too much. I might wear it around the house if I'm cold, like a robe, because that's what it fits me like. Okay, all it needs is like the thing in the middle, and I'll be set to get out of the shower, like for real. I've had robes that were shorter than this, so. Yeah, so not the biggest fan of this sweater. I knew that was going to happen. I'm really upset, but I mean, it's my fault because I should have set a reminder for myself to pick my FabFitFun stuff. But overall, I mean, not that bad. I got this sweater, robe, straws with the little travel case, a set of 8 mask pods with brush, this spring water thermal facial spray, this rosewood and something I can't pronounce body spray or body oil, Murad Resurgence collagen infusion, AG hair care fast food leave-in conditioner, and deep sleep body cocoon lotion. And then my add-on, of course, was this Gloss Me weed oil for your hair. So, overall, I mean, it wasn't my favorite box. Actually, it's probably my least favorite box that I've gotten so far. But, if you put together, you know, what you actually spend on it, and if you can at least find, like, a handful of products out of each box that you get that you like, you've won. Because you pay, what, $50? And, I mean, this, I don't know, they didn't really... Yeah, they did. I'm lying. This alone is this alone is $78 just to buy by itself. So, I mean, one thing that I got in here already paid for the whole box. So, that's the way I always look at it. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, sometimes you come late to the party and you don't get to choose. I did not mean to rhyme. I am just that good. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and go click the link down in the description box to my Instagram and follow me, please. Thank you.